Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Honig again at Wilson Southern. We are going to walk you through what to expect in this second lesson with measures of central tendency. Okay. So, obviously, your direction page, make sure you read and follow an email or jump into the video links if you have any Google meeting or any time allocated for you to meet with your teacher. Okay. Your learning targets are right here, so make sure you click the icon. This is just an audio file for that just walks you through what the checklist is, and you should be able to do these three things by the end of this lesson. Okay. The first set of pages are all informational, so looking at measures of central tendency, mean absolute deviation, box and whisker plots, stem and leaf plots, and histograms. These are all the informational pages in which you will need in order to complete the rest of this assignment. Okay. The video links are up in the upper right hand corner for those of you that need the YouTube videos as well. I strongly suggest you use them in addition to the Word version that are on each page. Okay. The audio link will walk you through stem and leaf plot, and it goes in line with this slide as well. Okay. When you get to your data, the next pages 9 and 10, slides 9 and 10, excuse me, those are your that's your information pages. Okay. So looking at your data for 4 different uh, uh, fast food chains, McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, and Chick-fil-A, and then you're going to analyze the information that is given to you. So the calorie count of all of those. Okay. Slide 11 is where you're actually starting to type some of your stuff in. Okay. So make sure you just organize it based on how we have this color coded: McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, and Chick-fil-A. I would do this on paper and then just type your answers in here. No need to paste that in. You just need to type your answers in for mean, median, and mode. Same thing with mean absolute deviation. Remember, and this is why we have this highlighted, this is just Burger King. This is nothing else. Only Burger King for mean absolute deviation. Put your data in, find your mean, which you should already have from the prior slide, and then calculate the deviation from the mean. If you have questions on that, go back to the video on mean absolute deviation and read through the 3 steps. Okay. Analysis, this is self-explanatory. Type your answers in these boxes right here. Okay, make sure you answer the questions for each, and same thing for these two. And lastly, when you get to the last 3 pages of work, create a box and whisker plot, a stem and leaf plot, and a histogram. Make sure you follow instructions. They're written on each page. And then you're going to do this on notebook paper, or you're going to do it on any sheet of paper or a whiteboard if you have it, and then take a picture of it and insert it in the space provided. Make sure your picture is clear so we can clearly see it. If it's small and we can blow it up, so be it. That's fine. But if it is not clear and it's very faded, it's very difficult to see, and we will ask you to resubmit. Okay. So make sure those pictures for all 3 of these are nice and clear. And certainly you may go back to the informational pages to go back and review how to actually calculate and create box and whisker plots, stem and leaf plots, etc. One note here, lastly, for the box and whisker plot, put it on a number line. So make sure it goes on a number line. But in addition to that, I suggest strongly that your number line will not start at 1, 2, 3, etc., and not go by ones. Your number line is going to be a little bit further down, closer to the hundreds, based on the data you have here. Okay, so it can be approximate if you want. It does not have to be 100% exact, just so you get the gist of these. This is how I create a box and whisker plot. Here's quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, and quartile 4. Okay. If you have any other questions, ask your teachers through either email or jump into the Google Meets that are sectioned off for you. Okay. Have fun.